It's 5:15 and I'm on Jalan Arjuna this is actually very funny because on the side of the street where I'm working right now is Legian, and on the other side of the street is already Seminyak. So this road is like a border between two areas of Bali, and this street is also called 666 Street, but officially it's Jalan Arjuna on the Google map. And all the people what they are behind me going into that direction, they're going to 666 Beach. As I mentioned before, this road over there leading to the 666 Beach, there was the one restaurant, another restaurant here. It should be Legian Corner. There was the always restaurant open during the pandemic when everything was closed over here. This place was always open, they never gave up. And now is overall situation on the street here. So, like I said, Jalan Arjuna 666. So it's a little bit complicated, however, looks like this one. So obviously, so many shops. Actually, now it's an empty gap. Not everybody come back to the business yet. Anyways, just after one gap, there's the shop with the fake bags for everyone who is interested. Actually, that's a serious question. Somebody asked me where you can buy the fake bags, fake shoes, and other stuff. Jalan Arjuna and in Legian in general. I used to vlog here quite often, but definitely today is very busy already, especially considering as this is Monday afternoon, 5:20 p.m. So that's actually very nice, happy days. As I said, so many nice bags what you could potentially buy over here. Louis V bag, no problem. Of course, guys, this is not original bags, don't even think about that. Show my guy over here. Here we go, he's making some nice food. Yo!
Oh, yes.
Yes! Gado-gado?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Chili.
Chili, fresh
Yeah.
production.
Wow.
Very nice.
This one. Okay, you like try one? Wait.
No, I'm fine,
Huh?
thank you so much. But I'm gonna show to the people, looks very nice.
All right.
Okay, take care.
Thank you.
Gonna change the lens so you can see maybe more wider. Right now it's beautiful weather actually today, beautiful blue sky, sunny. Actually not every business will come back. That's actually pretty sad. However, somebody said as to come back 100%, actually 100% everywhere in Bali it needs 5-10 years. Only Ubud seems like it's back almost 100%. However, the rest of the businesses are pretty like this one. And of course, so many dresses. Hello, how are you? Thank you. There are no bags. Yo, what's up?
Good.
All good, Mike. Hello. You can find so many very interesting stuff over here, of course. And actually, you can see the gaps. It's not as that busy somehow, like in Ubud, because in Ubud everywhere just traffic, right? But here is just, you know, time to time actually, busier, but time to time. And of course, tour guide. Yo, what's up? There behind me is small little gang. There's the hotel, it's called Horizon. And this is special for Gram. I don't know actually, you might still interested about it, but during the last year you always asked me to show you around, so I already learned that. I'm gonna show you again. That's the name of the businesses, by the way, the cable situation, Little Circle K. And you can have also bottle opener in case if you are interested. Meanwhile, the Horizon Hotel is there, and Heaven, and something else. This is little gang. You can buy sunglasses, also rent the motorbike or the car, and even little spa, another spa, and the Horizon Hotel, of course, and actually the Heaven suits. Anyways, let's go next to the edge of the street. I changed the lens into normal one, because I'm not sure actually which one you prefer. There's like a nice shop with textile over here, a little bit. They're still selling the bottle with the petrol from the Absolute Vodka. Actually, this is also very rare nowadays. I mean, more and more is, less, just simply less. But overall situation, hello! Overall situation looks like this. Definitely more and more people are happy. And here we go, this is something new, Santorini Greek restaurant, probably the same what in Jalan Popis and in Canggu, and it's brand new. And there are some people inside. Actually, now I feel like I wanna eat gyros for today dinner. However, Winnie is still working, I have to wait for her. Me and Winnie, we try to, because we are both busy actually, but we try at least eating dinner every day together, so I cannot, I had a lunch at 2 o'clock now, so, but very nice places around. And also you can buy some t-shirts here for 90k. All the people here, they are driving in rush to the 666 Beach. 666 Beach or the Legian Beach where Bakso. the sun is facing actually them, so that's why I'm walking into that direction. That's the golden tip how to make a videos. You never walk or face the camera into direction of the sun. However, still many shops closed for rent. Still, overall situation today. But the way all the shops here are selling like gadgets, bracelets, fake bag, Louis V, and stuff like this. Hats, everything is fake. However, more and more people walking, passing by, which is very nice. SIM card over here. You can buy some tattoo massage parlors, of course, and Frankie's bar, authentic spiced room with steak. Sounds like a good deal. And there are some people, of course, inside, which is not so bad. But anyway, really a lot of fake gadgets here in this shop. Yooo, over here we go. And the attraction of the street is finished over here, because there behind me used to be the hotel. Forgot the name. It's under construction already for a few years. I think they closed in circa 2018, 2019. While going back to the Double Six, I forgot if I mentioned about that already or not. This street is just simply popular for the shopping. Like I said, fake items, clothes, massage, tattoos, rental of bikes, SIM cards. Not so many hotels. More hotels are on the neighbor street. And well, obviously quite. Whoa. Yo. Well, a lot of happy people already back to this street of Jalan Arjuna, guys, Double Six. So yeah, more hotels you can find on the neighborhood streets. On the left, hello. Hey, on the left, on the right, wherever. More in Legion, more in Seminyak, but this one is like technically a shopping stroll. Alright, so I just back to the main entrance to the Double Six beach and the Legion beach behind me. So this junction parking area overall is extremely busy all the time, but the street actually, it was definitely in big improvement, definitely busier than the previous months. However, it's definitely still very far to be as busy as Canggu or especially Ubud. I don't know how come, but Ubud is definitely #1 place in Bali who recovers so much, almost in 100%, especially to comparing to the previous months. I was really not giving them that much hope, but seems like, yeah, it's like, wow. I mean, but Seminyak still needs the time, but it's definitely better and better. But as you see, Double Six, and already some people walking more and more. Definitely beach side is more successful in Seminyak rather than the streets. However, at least all the businesses are back. Okay, I'm gonna show you now the cafe. So the cafe, what I wanted to show you guys, it's called Stana Mera. It's very popular cafe, roastery and cafe shop in Indonesia in general. One of top 5 cafe coffee what you can buy in Indonesia. Actually, I recommend them because I really like them, but also many of you guys ask for them. What is the best good coffee in Bali, in Indonesia in general? So Stana Mera, the location of this place is on the Sunset Road, very close to the TSL or Bari Barber on the other side. So it belongs to Seminyak, have a big parking space for about 6 cars and a few motorbikes. So it's easy for you to come even if you're driver or alone. And everything is very red deep inside this cafe. The design is very different. I really like it. Very nice taste. It's not so expensive. It's like average price in Seminyak, or even slightly cheaper than the proper restaurant. And of course they have a great coffee. Meanwhile, this is the situation on the Double Six beach. The promenade already slightly under the construction. Looks like this one. And as always, I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care.